wait, stop. I don't feel good about this today.
Dude, this guy's legit. We can trust him.
Dude, I don't like the way it looks though. There's too sketchy, dude. Too many people have been going down.
Just come on, man. We can trust this guy.
If you think so, dude. Hey, listen, no funny stuff today. Alright? Don't touch me. It's going to be quick. Alright, exchange, get out. Never see each other again. That's fine. Shake his hand. Hey, whoa! Man, this guy's a bug. Get out of here, Sledge! Oh! Get up, jerk. Sledge, I'll get you! I ain't gonna forget about this, dog. I ain't gonna forget about you. I'll get you, Sledge! Oh. Come on. Dude. He got Jack. It's my brother. We'll find out who that was. I'm gonna get him. What the? Hello?
Caleb?
Yeah.
This is Officer Foster with the Cleveland Police Department.
Okay.
I'm sorry to wake you, but we have some bad news.
What happened?
There was an attack on your sister. Someone
No.
broke into her house and shot her twice. One bullet in the shoulder and the other in her chest.
Oh, God.
She's in critical condition, and we recommend you isolate yourself because it seemed to be purely a homicide attempt. Nothing was removed from your house, so it appears the only intent was an attack on your sister's life.
What is this?
I'm coming. SH. SH. Why would they be coming after me? I just don't understand. Maybe I just need to clear my head.
Hello? Is anybody there? Hello? Hello? Who's there? Hello? Do you remember me? No, who is this? You don't remember me. Who is this? It's your best friend, Sledge. You don't remember my brother? Dude, come on. You don't remember my brother, dude? Who? Jackhammer. You took him down. I'm taking you out. No. Dude, don't do this. I'm taking you out, dog. Don't do it. It's not. Oh. Now, Sledge. You don't want to do that. I'm tired of you. You're not coming back. Let me live.
No.
I've options. I've got options. Let me live.
No.
You'll never see me again.
No.
Well, that's a shame. Because your sister won't make it out alive.
Neither will you.